Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Few hours back I told you that the price line of Bitcoin can break out a falling wedge pattern. Right now it has broken out the resistance of the falling wedge, and in this video I want to discuss the next expected targets with you. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to show you this falling wedge pattern that I was showing you in my last video. And you can see that the price line formed this falling wedge, and started the formation of this wedge on 10th of Feb, and right now it is breaking out the resistance, even completely broken out the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. Now on this very short term hourly time frame chart, we have the next upcoming resistance here at approximately $44,000, and the final target for this wedge can be here at $45,500. That will be the top or tail of this falling wedge pattern. But this is really very significant resistance, as I have been telling you in my so many previous videos that $44,000 can be a significant resistance to start any big move from here. And we can see that so far the price line is not able to break it out, even though we had a few closing on the daily time frame chart above $44,000. But again, we moved down to the next support of $42,000. Right now, after this breakout, there is a very high probability that the price line will break out the $44,000 resistance level. Now, if we take a look at this $44,000 resistance level, then previously here, back in January 2022, it has been working as a strong resistance, and here it has worked as a support, and here it worked as a resistance, and here back in September 2021, it worked as a support, and here back in August 2021, it again worked as a nice support. Therefore, right now it has again turned into another resistance for the price line. But there is another possibility that you can see that the price line is also forming an inverse head and shoulder pattern. Here we have the left shoulder, and this is the neck, and this is the right shoulder. Sorry, this is the left shoulder and neck, and this is the formation of the right shoulder. Now, for example, if we will have a reversal move from here, and you can see that this $44,000 is working as a neckline for the head and shoulder pattern as well. Therefore, we can expect more powerful move. I'm not expecting $45,000. After breaking out this inverse head and shoulder pattern, our next expected target can be here. That is approximately $56,800. That will be a really very big move. You can see that we formed perfectly the left shoulder here. Let me place the head and shoulder pattern tool here, then it will be more visible for us. You can see the price line was moving down, moved up, rejected, formed this head, and here we formed the neckline of this head and shoulder pattern, and again rejected, and now we are going to have another reversal. And in case of reversal, we can break out this neckline of the head and shoulder pattern, and we can hit $56,800. That will be the target for this head and shoulder pattern. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.